Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you my new setup that I've got going on because I'm pretty proud of it and I think it works pretty well for me and anyone else that might have just recently gotten a 3D printer. So I bought a table from Ikea. It was about $30, really easy to set up. And then so we've got my printer here that's already out of filament 5 days after getting it. So I've already ordered some more. That'll come in soon so I can keep printing. I've got my tools kind of scattered all over. I've got my graveyard here. This is where all my failed prints go until I can figure out what to do with them. We've got a little Pikachu and an Eevee right here. And up here you might have seen we got Benchy. We've got a little strip to plug things into, as well as a hot glue gun. And then we've got a little shelving unit. This is actually the last thing that I printed before I ran out of filament, so I don't have any shelves to go inside of here because I ran out of filament. And then we've got another little project here that you guys will get to see soon. But this is my setup. I just thought it would be cool to see if you're getting into 3D printing, just how some other people have their stuff set up. You don't need anything fancy. This is really simple, very inexpensive. So hopefully this was beneficial to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.